Hello, this is Brad with AZ Irrigation and Maintenance. I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to prune out a problem tree that's growing up in your fence or an area you don't want. This is a Chinese elm tree that's growing up in a chain link fence, and within a few years this thing is going to cause all sorts of problems. It's going to be expensive to take out the tree, and then you're gonna have to fix the fence. So if you can catch this stuff while it's young, you'll save yourself a considerable amount of time and money and headache and heartache. By watching this video, it'll be a lot easier to explain than kind of listening to my voice, but I'm gonna do the best I can to explain what I'm doing. So you can see right there, Alice got attacked by a spider out of nowhere. But basically what I'm doing is finding where the branch will weave under or between the chain link fence, and then I'll cut a section on top and bottom and just use my hand and just try to wiggle that thing out as best as I can. And it's kind of a bit time consuming, especially depends on how long the trees have been growing up and growing around and growing through the fence.